How you doing? This is Troy Walcott. We're here at the Sacred Heart School. This is now, I believe, the third install of the antenna system we're putting up for the Bronx mesh network. So once we put up the antennas on this roof, we're going to be able to cover a lot of the entire North and South Bronx from these antennas that we're putting up. The good thing about it is with the distribution of this antenna, anybody both North and South will be able to grab internet signal and use that to be able to try to help bridge this digital divide, especially everything that's happening with COVID. People's having an immediate need to get this internet service fulfilled, and this will help them do that. What's good about this project is we're able to give this service away, especially during the first year and especially during the pandemic, at low to no cost. So this helps provide an immediate need to provide relief for a lot of kids right now who are in school and unable to get it. This is the start of what we're doing to provide this internet service immediately. The goal is hopefully to be able to use this to provide not only immediate internet access for the city, but also give it as a tool that they can use to have ownership in the system and start to build and have ownership in the thing that they've been starved for so long: internet service, cable service, and just communication in general. So, I mean, this is a great start. We're finishing up the antennas on the roof.